Hello dear student, I am Arun Nishan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and in this video we will talk about the ionic compound. Ionic compound. So, student, during the study of atoms, how the atoms are atoms exist in two states. First is molecule or compound, second is ionic. In the आयन की फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट होते हैं. तो आयन्स आर टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज नेगेटिव एंड सेकेंड इज पॉजिटिव. सो species which carry charge or atom species which carry charge which may be negative or positive, that we call ions. For example, when the metal lose the electron, or cation are those substances, are those atoms which lose their electron, and that called cation. So cation lose the electron, and anion receive the electron. This is our electron. Receive the electron. So, which atom are donate the electron? So, metals are lose their electrons. If talking about the sodium lose their electron, may it produce cation. After losing the one electron, it produces cation. So it is the sodium ion, and it is positive ion. And when the chlorine gas receive the electron, it produce chloride ion. Means when any atom will lose their electron, अगर कोई एटम अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा तो वो कैटायन बनेगा, या फिर वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज शो करेगा. एंड अनदर एटम which receive the electron and which show the negative charge, and it called cation. And how the ionic compound is formed, or examples of ionic compounds. So these are the chlorine and sodium. Another example of cation and anion, which is potassium, which give their electron or lose अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा तो cation होगा. मैग्नीशियम अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है वन टाइम, कीप टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इट टू कैरी टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. जब ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करेगा तो ये 2+ चार्ज देगा. और जब एल्यूमिनियम की बात आती है, it lose 3 electrons, and it carry charge plus 3 charge, means it reduce 3 electrons. So in this way metals are lose their electron and formation of cations, and the sum, which is carbon or nitrogen, it receive the negative ions. Polyatomic ions which contain more than two or three ions, that we call polyatomic ions. For example, which is carbonate which carry -2 charge, nitrate which carry -1 charge. So if we're talking about NH4 3 minus, NH4 3 plus, 3 plus. So these are the example of polyatomic ions and how the ions are formed, or how the ionic compounds are formed. How the ionic compounds are formed. Ionic compounds are formed. Student, ionic compounds are formed by the reaction of metal and non-metal. Ionic compounds are formed by the reaction of metal and non-metal. So the metals are those metals. Suppose potassium metal react with chlorine, Cl. It is a metal. और सॉलिड, और जो Cl2 होता है हमारा वो गैस के फॉर्म में होता है, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड मेटल वो सॉलिड के फॉर्म में होगा, और जो ये क्लोरीन है जो कि नॉन मेटल it produce KCl which is salt and potassium chloride, and these contain plus charge and minus charge after dissolution and in aqueous medium. Another example of ionic compound, कोई और मेटल लीजिए, मेटल लिया सोडियम, दूसरा क्लोरीन ले सकते हैं, या फिर क्लोरीन नहीं, क्लोरीन इसमें लिए हैं तो दूसरा ले लीजिए which is H2SO4, सोडियम ले लीजिए और H2SO4 या फिर क्लोरीन ही ले लेते हैं and then give Cl2. Here is 2, here is 2 KCl because here is 2, here is 2, तो यहाँ पे क्लोरीन भी 2 हो जाएगा और पोटेशियम भी 2 हो जाएगा, मीन्स 2 KCl. Here is a so formation of NaCl which is 2 and it is also 2 NaCl which is carry plus charge and it is a minus charge. After dissolution it is a gas and non-metal and it is a solid. It is a metal and it is a salt which is sodium chloride. So these are the ionic compound. The ionic compound are formed by the reaction of metal and non-metal. They produce corresponding salt, and which is potassium metal react with chlorine, it produces potassium chloride, and sodium metal react with chlorine gas and produce sodium chloride. Let's see one more example which is potassium react with sulfate. It is the ionic compound, या it is also non-metallic oxide, ये non-metallic oxide है और आपस में रिएक्ट करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा K2SO4 and it is a 2 and K2SO4, it is the sulfur tetraoxide or sulfate and it is a potassium, so it is a metal and it is a non-metallic oxide and it produces potassium sulfate salt. Potassium So our ionic compound is, let's see, is KCl, which KCl, and sodium chloride, which is sodium chloride, and K2SO4, potassium sulfate. So these are the ionic compounds which formed by the reaction of metal and non-metals. So basically the ionic compound when formed, the metal and non-metal combine to each other, formation of corresponding salt, or salts को अगर when we dissolve in water, they broken into their ions, और which is corresponding ions. और जब भी हम इन corresponding ions को dissolve करेंगे water में, ये अपने constituent ions में टूट जाएंगे. मीन्स ये पोटेशियम, अगर पोटेशियम सल्फेट को हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, they produce potassium cation and sulfate anion. So anion वो होगा जो नेगेटिव चार्ज कैरी करेगा, cation वो होगा जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज कैरी करेगा. So these are the example of ionic compound. Now the next is what is the ratio of this ionic compound of them. So let's see the ratio. हम ratio देखेंगे. This salt, suppose sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Let's see the ratio of formation of this ionic compound. So ratio of ionic compound, which is, make a table, and here is the ratio, and here is compound, ionic compound, and it is name, chemical name, which is, after seeing this chemical name is, which is, suppose there is a sodium chloride, sodium chloride, which is NaCl. So element are present sodium and chlorine. सोडियम और क्लोरीन जो है प्रेजेंट है, सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन. तो सोडियम है और क्लोरीन है, इनका रेशियो और मास कितना है? तो सोडियम का मास कितना होता है मोमेंटम का? 23:35. 23:35 means the 23 is the ratio of 23 is the mass of sodium and 35.5 is the mass of chloride element, and the another is potassium chloride, which is KCl, and the element are present is potassium and chlorine, and ratio of, so what is the atomic mass of potassium, which is 39, and chlorine, as you know, 35. So ratio of these ionic compound is 39 of potassium chloride, 39.35, and another which is potassium magnesium oxide or MgCl2 or MgSO4 और K2SO4 का देख लेते हैं. पोटेशियम सल्फेट, पोटेशियम सल्फेट, पोटेशियम सल्फेट का स्ट्रेंथ होगा 39 एज यू नो. पोटेशियम सल्फेट का क्या होगा? K2SO4. तो पोटेशियम 2 है, तो 2 into 39 which is 2 into 39, 2 9 18, अपॉन 78 इज टू सल्फेट है, सल्फेट का इकट्ठा लिखेंगे सल्फेट, सल्फर का होता है 32 प्लस 16 होता है 1 ऑक्सीजन का, 16 into 4 is equal to 64, so 546 and 639 means here is 78 is 96 ratio by mass. It is the mass of sulfate, it is the mass of potassium, and the element are involved in this salt, which is potassium, sulfur, and oxygen, So these are the ratio of during the formation of this ionic compound. The element are present into the ionic compound and the ratio by mass. So here is the ratio of NaCl, here is the ratio of KCl, and here is the ratio of potassium sulfate. So these are the different types of salt and different types of ionic compound. They have their mass, and next the empirical formula.